When an owner needs to build a new structure or complete major renovations, they need a designer and contractor to handle its construction. Typically, an owner's first step is to hire an architect and contractor to complete the project. However, by making this the first step, most owners don't realize they have unintentionally put their project on an inevitable path to costly changes, delays, and frustration. And to top it all off, the end product usually falls short of expectations. The reason? Incorrect leadership of the project. The architect and contractor both have numerous consultants and subcontractors, but with no clear single point of leadership and responsibility for the project, a wall grows between the two sides, each solely focused on fulfilling their own roles. There is a real need for communication and strategic decision-making across the wall, but the need for communication has devolved into a cumbersome legalistic attempt to avoid liability. When inevitable conflicts arise between the two sides, the owner becomes the arbiter in an arena where he or she has little or no knowledge. The solution to this dilemma is to put a project leader in charge who will merge the interests, knowledge, and talents of both design and construction into one singularly focused, cohesive team. This is what Studio 818 provides. In our designer-led design-build management process, the owner has one single point of communication and one single source of responsibility for the management of the project. From concept and design through construction to turnkey completion, we manage all the moving parts. Our integrated process allows for the communication, knowledge sharing, and cultural integration necessary for great design to actually get built as planned. Most importantly, the design integrity is protected throughout the project. This is crucial since the design of the project is what ultimately leads to its success, functionally, practically, and aesthetically.